When you're starting a business, the structure that you're going to use is just as important as the service or the product you sell. Picking the wrong structure can ruin your business from the start, right? It's the difference between minimizing taxes and maximizing the tax bill you're going to pay. You can use an LLC with 3 different elections. It could be a pass-through entity, it could make an S Corp election, or a C Corp election. Depending on how much income you're generating and the way you're generating it is going to be how you select which election you're gonna make. For instance, when you get to a certain level of income, do you actually want to pay 15% in self-employment taxes? Or is it more efficient to eliminate that? These are the questions we have to answer, and you need to go to a professional, get them answered.
Let me know if I'm being nitpicky. When I use the terminology structure, I'm talking about legal entity structure, and the purpose of that particular type of decision is all about asset protection. When we're talking about tax elections, that's a tax strategy decision, which again, everything that's being shared here is of interest and is of note, but there's more that goes into the tax strategy election than simply a revenue number, even more than just a net operating income number. You see, when you're trying to choose an S corporation as an example, you also want to understand what is the underlying nature of the business that you're engaged in. Is it going to be very debt heavy? Is it going to be engaging in simply large cash positions and not necessarily collecting a lot of assets that the company would own? These are all decisions that weigh in and should be weighed and considered before making that strategy decision when it comes to the business. Now, when it comes to businesses in general, making a lot of money is a great thing, but I don't really care about your revenue numbers. What I care about is your net. Net, not gross, is what wins. And when it comes to winning at the game of business, you really want to understand all of the rules of the game. If you want to learn what some of the rules of the game, just get started at least, just drop the letters GOB and I'll send you a free training.